You got a new iPhone Air and you want to transfer everything from your old iPhone, including photos, apps, contacts, messages, even settings? Here's how to transfer all your data safely and set up your new iPhone Air in just minutes. Alright, so first, if you've already set up your iPhone Air, you need to just reset it. If you've got any important photos or videos already stored in there, you can just go and select them and airdrop it to your other iPhone so you can send it back to you while transfer. Now let's reset it. So open Settings to General, scroll down for Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now just go ahead, hit Erase All Content and Settings. Press Continue. If you've got eSIMs added into your Air already, you can keep them or erase them as well. I'm going to just keep mine. Just follow the prompts, and in its way, all your data will be starting backed up in iCloud. You can just let it back up or just keep it wherever you want. Now, after the erase process is completed, your Air will restart into setup mode. Now, swipe up the screen on your Air. First, select Language, and then select your region. You can set the appearance if you want, and then just hit Continue. And there it is, the quickly set up iPhone section. If your old iPhone is running on iOS 12.4 or later, it'll get this pop-up. If it doesn't show the pop-up, just go ahead, lock your iPhone and unlock it. Just hit Continue on the pop-up. Now next in this section, you can hold down the old iPhone and scan this QR code, or you can just hit Authenticate manually and then enter the exact number that appears on your iPhone Air. Next, you're going to select for whom you're setting up this iPhone, for yourself or your child. I'm selecting for myself. Enter the passcode of your older iPhone to your iPhone Air in this next part. Now, you know what? You gotta just wait patiently for, a couple of minutes in this exact section. Now, after that, the data and privacy prompt will be there. Just hit Continue. As you can see, you can set up Face ID now, or you can do it later in settings. So we're gonna just skip some of the customization for now and focus on the transfer process throughout the whole video. Now, in the next part, you will get this exact transfer data from whatever your old iPhone's name is prompt. You can scroll down right in here and see how much time it would take to complete the transfer process. And then just hit Continue. Alright, so you will be prompted to put down the iCloud password that is logged into your old iPhone. Put down the password and then hit Sign In. Agree to the terms and condition. And in this Make This Your New iPhone section, as you can see, all the apps, data, settings will be moved from your older device. You can tap on Settings and you can just take a look which features or settings will be moved in here. And then just hit Continue. As prompted, you can turn on location or just skip it for now. Alright guys, so then all you gotta do is just go through all these setup prompts one after another that appears on your screen, and just go ahead and follow through this iPhone setup process. Just keep following the prompts until you're in this section that shows you that the data is transferring. The ETA of the transfer process will show up at the bottom. Just wait patiently. It might take a while depending on how much data you're transferring, and just keep both these devices nearby, that's all. Alright, once the transfer process is done, your older iPhone will show transfer complete and your iPhone Air will restart. Well, don't worry about it, it's absolutely normal. After it restarts, it'll show hello in different language on a screen. Just swipe up, and as you can see, it's showing restore complete. I'm gonna just hit Continue, and I'm gonna just hit Continue on my old iPhone. Alright, so you can either erase it if you want to sell or give it away, or just hit Not Now to use both of them simultaneously. Now, you might get some more prompts on your iPhone Air if you have skipped while setting up your Air. Just follow through and complete the setup process, that's all. And finally, just hit Get Started. And as you can see, it looks identical to my old iPhone. Everything has been moved from my older iPhone to this iPhone Air. Now, although some apps are still installing, but all the apps are here as I swiped through. And not just that, all my photos and videos have been transferred from my older device to here, along with all the text and iMessages. And also, all the contacts have been moved to this new iPhone Air from the older iPhone. And that's pretty much how you can easily transfer everything, all data from your older iPhone to your iPhone Air. Thanks for watching.